Alright guys, as I mentioned, this is our dehumidifier. It's got a bit of information down there. I think it's actually got some instructions in there. But basically you just, there's a little connection on the back here that it fills up with water, as you can see there. Look, that's moisture from this morning. And it's taking water out of the house. So I'm in the bathroom at the minute, so just switch it on. As you can see, humidity levels at 80. That's it running on high. That's it. As you can see, it's coming down quite quick. And you can get it on swing mode. Another thing is you don't have to worry about leaving it on, excessively, because if you press over here, see it's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours, or 8 hours. And to be fair, in here, as you can see, it's coming down quite fast. Just pull it to one side when the kids have been in for their morning showers after school or whatever. Switch it on for an hour or two and just leave it running. And it takes all the moisture out there, which obviously reduces the damp in the house. So this one's Q Lima. I find it's an okay unit. One of the things I've got to check the manual for is I'm wondering if I can set it where if this is at 40, above 40 it runs, and then if it hits 40 switches off. So I've got to see if we can do that. If it can, then it'll be pretty much fully automatic at that point. But so far I find it practical, and it's cutting down on the moisture in the house. And obviously, because it's not so big, you can move it around. So like upstairs, where it's prone to damp in the winter, you can take it up there and just sort of run it when it, like April's up doing laundry or whatever. She can switch the thing on and just keep the moisture under control. As you can see, comes down quite rapidly. But yeah, just showing different things, because if you've got one of these types of buildings, you'll know that damp is a big problem. And this is obviously one of the solutions that we've come across.